Okay, so this is how to take off your PlayStation 5 covers and clean it on the inside. So what you're going to want to do is turn it to the side and unscrew the stand. Once you're done with that, you're going to want to put it in here. Twist this so you don't lose the screw. And then, next step you're going to want to do, grab it over here by the PlayStation logo, and then grab it at the bottom and brace it. Pull it up and backwards at the same time. It'll pop right out. Ooh, this is dirty. So what you're going to do is grab a towel or a paper towel of any sort. So now we're going to snap this back on. To snap it, just line it up with the grooves. And just the same thing but backwards. Push it this way and downwards. And it should go right into place. Same thing for the other side. Hold on to this corner by the back. And then the back. And then this way and up. And this will come off. Oh my God. Now, quickly line up all the grooves. This way. Down and forward. Okay, I'll be right back with the Clorox wipes. So now that we're here, the Clorox wipes. If you look closely over here, you're gonna see the PlayStation stuff, the symbols that they have in the controller. Okay, now to clean this, I'm not gonna use this, don't worry. I'm gonna take this one, put this one inside this one. Now once this is clean, we're going to want to put it back in. Place. Now for the other side. this up. This back on. Snaps tight. And then the last step, remember this stand. You're gonna wanna open this, take the screw out, and then there we go. Now put the PlayStation on. Put this back here. Make sure that lines up. Now be very careful, because if you drop this, $500 down the drain. So insert the screw and tighten. And now you have a fully functional and cleaned PlayStation.